Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bharti this side. So right now it's 9 a.m. and I have an impromptu lunch date with an old friend of mine. I haven't met her for a few years now, so I'm pretty excited. So she basically called me a while back asking me if I'm free to meet up today because she's in my city, and I said yes. So the only problem now is the unwanted facial hair that I have on my face. Now facial hair is different for everybody, but I personally get super self-conscious when it comes to my own facial hair. So I like to keep my eyebrows and my upper lips groomed by removing unwanted facial hair from my face, and in the end that makes me feel good. So in the end it all depends on person to person when it comes to facial hair grooming. But first, let's do an unboxing of this new tool which I received in the mail a few days back and show you guys what's inside the box.
So this is the Magica 4-in-1 eyebrow trimmer by Bombay. It comes for 1199 rupees. On the packaging it's mentioned that it's a full face precision styler, gentle on all skin types. What I like about this kind of tool is that you don't have to worry about cuts and peels. This tool will remove unwanted facial hair smoothly in a very painless manner. So inside the box there is the main eyebrow trimmer tool. Along with that you will get two different eyebrow comb attachment, one AAA battery, a cleaning brush and a precision trimmer head for eyebrows. Along with all that you will get an instruction pamphlet, a step-by-step guide in how to use this. You can use this for grooming your eyebrows, upper lips, chin and side locks. Here when you slide this to switch on and off, all you need to do is make short strokes in direction on hair growth, and once after use, just use the brush to clean the device. And this comes with a 1-year warranty. And now here I will demonstrate how to use this 4-in-1 eyebrow trimmer. So I made sure not to groom my facial hair for a while, just so I can make this video for you all. I keep getting requests regarding facial hair grooming, and here I am making one finally. Here you can see I'm moving the trimmer between my eyebrows just to remove that unwanted hair, and it just gets removed in seconds. And for those below the eyebrow hair that I need to remove, I use this attachment called precision trimmer to give my eyebrows a more neat groomed look. And for my upper lip facial hair removal, I'm now using the trimmer over it, and just like that it was this easy. I felt no pain and my skin didn't feel any irritation after using the trimmer. My skin is very sensitive and this tool did not irritate my skin at all. And once I am done using this, I make sure to use the brush that it comes with to clean the device. Another tip I would like to share, just to be extra hygienic, would be to use a little bit of rubbing alcohol to sanitize the blades after few uses, just to avoid any skin infection.
Whoa, that was so fast. I managed to groom my eyebrows and my upper lips in just 2 minutes. And this fits into my purse very easily because it's very compact and travel friendly. So this way I'm always in search for a fuss-free tool to help me stay groomed, and I feel I finally found one. And so far my experience in using this tool has been positive. This is affordable and very easy to use. And I feel that this would make great little gifts to give to your loved ones, close friends and family, in order to encourage them to get into the self-grooming bandwagon. So guys, I have to go now. I promised my friend that I will be taking her to a nice Korean cafe in Delhi for lunch. So I have to quickly get ready and go head off. But before I do, please, if you guys really like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below whatever you want to say. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.